Hey, what's up guys, Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to code a new battery for your BMW, and this method will apply to all the BMW lineup. I'm assuming that you already have the new battery installed on the car, yeah? And after that you will need a cable like this, yeah? K plus DCAN cable. If you want to see how to set this cable, I'm gonna put a card in here or in here to see how to set up the cable in order to access your car. This time I'm going to code the battery with Carly app, but I'm gonna show you how to use INPA as well, yeah? Okay, so you need this cable. Like I've said, the link will be there or in the description in order to see how to set up the cable. If you are doing this with a cell phone, you will need an adapter, yeah? USB to your cell phone adapter, yeah? In this case I have a type C connector. You just have to connect the cable with your phone, remove the cover from the OBD port. Okie dokie, put the key into the ignition. Connect the cable. Let me close the door because this ding is too loud. Okay, ignition on. So it's already recognized that the ignition, the cable is connected. Whoa, it started another program. Okay. Before you do anything, you have to go to set up your car. Yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. Oh, so in my case, I have a 3 Series E90. Yeah, it's a gas one. The car is connected now. Yeah, it's selected, not connected. I'm gonna connect the program with the car. I'm gonna select Bluetooth or cable. I'm gonna say cable. Okay. And said it's connected. It said connection okay, engine recognized, yeah. And after that we are going to select battery, yeah. Okay, so battery register. Okay, you have to read everything. You said everything's okay. First step, you have to change the type or the capacity of the battery. In my case the battery was set for 70 amps, so I'm going to select this menu, yeah, read battery. Okay, and I've already done it. It said 80 amps, it was selected 70 amps, so select your battery capacity, yeah, and after that capacity change. We can register the battery. We can say read the battery, and after it read the battery we have to start register. So the battery was registered, so that's about it, yeah. And now let me show you how to register the battery with INPA, yeah. So now we don't need a adapter for the cell phone anymore. You just plug the same cable into your laptop. Okay. You have to have the ignition on. Let me close the door because it's gonna make that sound. Yeah, so ignition on. We are going to select INPA. You have to have these two dots black. We are going to select our model, yeah. Okay, in my case it's E90, that's F8. Okay, I'm gonna say engine automatic recognition. Okay, it's already recognized. It might different a little bit because this car is an US spec and this is an European software with some adaptation. So anyway, I'm gonna hit F5 for status, yeah. Okay, after that I'm going to hit F5 again, IBS, yeah, that means Intelligent Battery System. So F5, and I'm gonna hit now F5 to show you, yeah, F5 battery register. And the battery was registered, yeah, okay. So, job done. That's about it. I hope you find this video useful. I hope now you can register your battery. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Thanks for watching.